Good morning and welcome back to the Backpack Trader Training Room. Crude oil inventory report for Wednesday, February 26, 2025. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right, last session of the mornings. Close that out. We're under 2 minutes from the report, and we'll see where we go from here. Oops. All right. Less than a minute to go. And the report should be out now. Well, there's the low of the and the high of the reaction. Not a whole lot of reaction yet. Another no reaction day. Possible short. On the 377, that's kind of a reaction trade though. I really don't want that trade. I want something new. All right, we're a minute in. Given that we had no trades on the 9 a.m. session, maybe not too surprising, not moving a lot. Ten seconds to our start time. Short trade on counterpunch, crude chart cancel. Counterpunch 377 tick crude has canceled. Unleaded has gone too far on its short, so that trade is not on the table. We'll be looking for a new setup. And we're just now extending beyond the reaction range on crude. There's a stop out on unleaded, so everything's flat. And looking for trades. Spotlight crude testing the 200 EMA of the 8-tick range bar. Looks like we do have overbought reading back around 9 o'clock. Yeah, right. But given that, and we're short on the 377. It's like 10 tick, money management, and target 2. Another down bar, and it looks like we probably would get a short. Short looks like it would probably be at 87, which is that's interesting. 87 is the low end of the reaction range. Short trade on unleaded. That does trigger in. So unleaded in short. Don't have anything yet on crude. And 377 tick counterpunch in a short. And 69.11 for the stop on the 377 tick. 2011 for the stop on unleaded. 21901, it looks like, is our money management. Yes, that's correct. Target 1 at 1895, target 2 at 1866. Money management and target 2 sitting at 68.89 on the 377 tick counterpunch. And now we're spike up, so 89 is our possible entry. Which was the stop of the earlier long trade. Well, that's interesting. That would be a valid trade in our 9 o'clock session. No, what was different? No, it looks like we went up to 69.02, so 68.92 would be our entry for a short trade. So far, just a very sideways. No reaction at all, really, to the inventory report. from like $68.87 to $69 even. So just 13 cents at most. Reaction just range in the first minute after the report. So first minute, minute and a half. Not close enough for 50 EMA to get a long trade. Potential stop and reverse on the 377 tick. That would have been at 69.08, kept us in the short. It's going to have to hit the stop, and there's a new short trade at the stop. So either one hit it. That's 93 is where we got to go to cancel this stop and reverse. Well, we got up to the unadjusted entry on the stop and reverse again on the 377. Still short on unleaded, and there is a short on crude at 94. Targets will be 82 and 76. 87 is too small. It's less than 10 ticks. Target 1. Okay, 11 is the session open. I'm going to push the stop one tick above that. Push it to 12. We've got one. No, we haven't got one clue. Yeah, just the setup bar. We haven't got a close above or below. Wow, there's a move into the short trade. moving down toward our target on 377. So I'm going to take an extra tick there. All right, there is money management and target. So we should be trailing short. We're going to have to track that manually. Unleaded trying to move down to money management on that trade. That will be a power of quitting for 377. So we will come to 98 for the 68.98. The stop. Actually, we can pick up this trailer now. And target 1. And we'll bring this down to our break-even stop. And there's target 2. So we are out. One and done. Quick session there. Going through target 1 on unleaded. Unleaded gets to target 2. We're all, everybody's going to be done. $377. Big push downward. That was a slow reaction to whatever was going on. And we get target 2 on unleaded. So crude is done. Unleaded isn't. And crude spotlight. Crude counterpunch is trailing. Will be done when the trade completes. And unleaded will also be done when its trade completes. New session low for crude, 68.55. New session low for unleaded at 1652 or 1852. $68.61 for the trailing stop at the moment on the 377 tick. 1911 on unleaded. Big reaction. Good 10 minutes after the report. And stopping out at 50, 68, 57 on the 377 counterpunch chart. 10 on target and a bunch. 99 to 60, 57. So 42 ticks. 52 ticks net on that trade. Unleaded continuing to, Crude and Crude for that matter, but unleaded continuing to push down. 1906. No trailer on the crude chart. On the spotlight crude. Just the two targets, and it is done. And we stopped out of 377, so unleaded is the only thing still going. 1901, 1901. That was our money management level. Entry was 1948. 47 ticks on the trailer. Target one traders got 53, so that's another 100 tick at least win for target one. 82 ticks for target two. 82 and 47 puts us 129 so far. And now 1892. So 56 on the trailer. That was another 9 ticks. And now 82, another 10 ticks. 66. And that's where it stopped out. So 66, 148 to add to 140, 288 ticks today on unleaded. For target two traders, target one traders pick up 66 and 53, 119 plus 105, was it? So 224. Good days all around. All three are done. Questions or comments? That was a little bit quicker one. All right. I don't see anybody asking questions or making comments. So that will wrap it up for today. Last session of the week tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. next week, Saturday is the 1st of March. We have a regular schedule next week, I believe. Let's check to be sure. Calendar. Red Label News at 10 a.m. on Monday. Tuesday, annual budget release for pound. Great Britain. Wednesday, non-farm unemployment at 8:15. ISM services at 10. So got a little more news next week to start moving things around. 10:30 is our crude oil inventory report. So regular schedule next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9:30. Crude oil inventory session at 10:30 on Wednesday. So we will see everybody next week. Have a good one, everyone. See you tomorrow.